versus Aurea Valenzuela. Irish top in the middle. Tokat running by the release, etc. Irish Toby, etc. is running by the Valenzuela in third. Tokat, our Angels Dream, Kasilawan, Walay Jaina. And Will Pace is racing in last, etc. Irish Toby is on the outside second. Then 6 lengths away in third, Valenzuela. Tokat in fourth, Walay Jaina, our Angels Dream, Will Pace. And a long way back to Kasilawan, etc. Still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Irish Top is still in second, Valenzuela in third. Here comes our Angels Dream now trying to get closer in fourth. Little Pace alongside Walay Jane, Tokat and Kasilawan. etc. Irish Top. Here comes our Angels Dream now moving up to take second, etc. Still in front, our Angels Dream rushing about the yards and now moves up to take the lead. Our Angels Dream now by about 2 lengths, etc. Tokat is on the outside. Last 75 minutes, Jackie Conrad, Beji, hands-on on our Angels Dream. Second, Tokat, etc. Glitter Pace, Kasilawan.
Okay, Brian Caribista, for race number 11, our unofficial winner dito, entry number 9, our Angels Dream with si Piensa, nasa segundo, numero 3, Tokat, numero 2, na si etc. Numero 1, Glitter Face, and for your Pentafecta, 6A.